We are about to make the law of attraction super easy with the Neville Goddard technique. Hi everyone, Robert Zink, Miracle Mentor and Alchemy Life Coach. And today, oh yes, we are soaring high like a big, beautiful eagle, and we're always flying in the direction of your dreams and goals. We believe on this channel that you deserve the money you desire, the love you crave, and the health and happiness you depend on. Be sure and subscribe and click that bell icon. Okay, the law of attraction made easy. Oftentimes people think of the law of attraction as some difficult thing that they have to go through a lot of contortions to make things manifest. And you really don't. If you'll follow these simple steps outlined by Neville Goddard, and I'll kind of give you my take on it, you'll be manifesting quickly with hardly any effort at all. So high flyers, the first part of this is maybe the most difficult part to get your mind wrapped around, and that is you are creator. You are the creator of your universe, the world in which you experience. Everything in the universe is you pushed out. So if something isn't working out in the outside world, it's because you've created that in the inside world. When we teach miracle mentoring and alchemy life coaching, we oftentimes say you are a co-creator of your reality. There are two realities. There's the reality outside you, and there's the reality inside you. They always match, high flyers. Always. So, and wait a minute. You're saying, wait a minute. I want this, but it's not matching. Want doesn't get you what you desire. Want keeps things or whatever it is you desire away from you. It pushes away. Because, you see, want is an indication that you lack, that you are without. So you are a co-creator, and you create in the microcosm or the small universe within you. This must match the outside universe. Hermetic law says, as above, so below. As within, so without. So if you want to change something out here, find out exactly what it is you need to change within here. You are creator. So high flyers, Neville Goddard talks about naming your specific desire. We oftentimes refer to it as an intention. And I think it's very important that you write it down. I oftentimes will put my intention on a sticky note, and I'll put it right up on my computer screen, or I will put it in my wallet so that I see it all the time. I know specifically what my intention is. And it's interesting because Andrew Carnegie, the richest man of his time, understood this concept. When he would hire people, he would put a stopwatch under the desk. He understood that successful people make up their mind quickly and change their mind slowly. Why do they make up their mind quickly? Because they know specifically what it is that they desire in their life. They know exactly the direction that they desire to travel. And that's important. You need to know who you are, what your life is about, and what you desire to manifest. I would also say you need to kind of know what it is that you want to leave behind when your time here is over with. So there it is. Be specific. Write it down and look at it daily. So high flyers, beautiful souls, listen to me on this one because I think it's very important. Your imagination is the preview. What you imagine today, you live tomorrow. Nobody in the world imagined flying in the sky Well, there were a few people, but they kept running off cliffs and killing themselves. But somebody actually imagined getting up into the sky. And that was the Wright brothers. They imagined what other people could not imagine. They saw it, they felt it, they believed it, and they lived it. You see, anything that we have created on this planet, we have imagined it first. Stephen Covey, the author of 7 Habits of Highly Effective People, he talks about there are always 2 creations, one within the mind and one within your life. So I believe, and Neville Goddard believes, that you imagine the desire fulfilled. What is it like to fulfill your desire? What is your relationship like? What does your bank account look like? What does your new car look like? What does your dream vacation look like? What does your new career look like? What is the dream fulfilled in your life? When you understand that and you can see it clearly, it's ready to manifest. Well, Neville talks about persisting. In other words, imagining your wish fulfilled over and over and over and over again until it's so much a part of your life. And why is the persistence necessary? Because your subconscious may have a counterintention. It may be pushing against you. But if you persist, eventually you will transform your subconscious mind. And then your subconscious mind will start working with you. And your subconscious mind is the connecting link to the infinite, to the universe, to your wish fulfilled. So high flyers, I added this one. Let it manifest. Let it happen. You know, do this work, these simple steps, and then just relax. Take that deep breath in through your nose, out through your mouth, and say, here it is. Here it is. Oh, it feels good. Oh, I'm so excited. Allow it to manifest and enjoy the fruits of your imagination. You have no limits. You have no boundaries. You can have the love you desire. You can have the money you desire, the health you desire. You can have it all. No limits. Write that down below. No limits. No limits. Oh, that feels good. That feels incredible. Now, some other videos, here they are, to help you on your journey.